As New Year started, Flipkart also came up with a new scam or a new way to loot users' money. So watch this video till the end to know that Flipkart Smart Pack is a new scam and you will be trapped very soon via Flipkart. So watch this video till the end. I am going to expose another scam offer from Flipkart. If you Flipkart user or buy product from Flipkart, you also came to know that recently new offer on a mobile buying offer or scheme is coming up from 17 January 2021 on Flipkart. The name is Flipkart Smart Pack. Yes, they claims that you will get 100% money back if you buy any mobile up to 17,000 rupees from Flipkart on this Smart Pack offer. What is Smart Pack and how will you get 100% money back? Does it really means 100% money back or is it a fully scam? Let's expose. So first of all, how the scheme is or the offer is. So you have to buy mobile using some Bajaj Finance card or any other card or credit card, debit card where the EMI option is available. So for example, if you buy around 15,000 rupees mobile, first of all you have to pay the full amount of 15,000 rupees for the mobile, whatever MRP price is there. After all, you have to choose optionally, you may choose for the Smart Pack. What is given inside the Smart Pack? There is three options there: gold or something, gold, platinum, this kind of thing they have named, but a gold is the topmost. In gold you will get 100% money back if you able to return your mobile without any defective or damage. Just you have to switch on your mobile and show the IMEI number. Yes, they claim that, but we all know how the bad is Jeeves and Flipkart return policy when they come to pick up your mobile. So it's the biggest scam, I can say. They will say it will be picked up, but when they will come to pick up your old mobile, they will just deny it. We all know. But apart from this, what it is saying here, if you are able to return your phone 1 year or 18 months, you will get 100% money back on mobile price. So you are thinking, oh fine, if we pay 15,000 rupees and after 1.5 years, if you are able to return the mobile, you will get the mobile for free. Wait, there is a glitch because it is Flipkart, full of scam. Flipkart says that to get this we have to pay around 879 rupees per month for 18 months. So if you calculate, the price will be coming around 10,500. Yes, 10,500. So if you do it for a 10,000 mobile, you will have to pay 10,000 for the mobile and as well as 10,500, total 20,500 initially or 18 months. Then after 18 months you will get refund of 10,000, refund only on mobile price. This is basically insurance, you can say health insurance like mobile insurance it is, and they're taking 879 rupees per month. Yes, and if you able to, and if you opted out of 17 months or 15 months before completing the 18 months, you will not get any benefit. So it's a really scam and you are losing the money. And let me talk about what is inside Smart Pack. This says that you will be benefited like subscription, digital subscription like Voot app, Sony Live, G5, this kind of application, and as well as Zomato Pro. So for 1 year, if you search on internet how much does it cost, the platform price is 999 rupees. So 3 or 4 apps it costs around 4,000 rupees, but Flipkart is taking 10,500 from you. So basically if you can calculate extremely hard that they are giving 4,000 or 5,000 benefit, still they are profiting again 5,000 and you are losing basically. So don't be trapped on Flipkart scam offers, this kind of scheme where the insurance kind of thing, 100% money back, refund. Don't fall on this. Another thing is that this says that it will provide the smart protection from the Jeeps company. They will provide the mobile smart protection plan, and we all know, I have already made a video on this. Smart protection is another fraud from Flipkart where they says they will repair, but Just nothing. So stay away from Flipkart, and also very much stay away this kind of smart pack, smart protection plan, or anything related to the mobile or return policy. That return policy mean exchange policy. Flipkart exchange is the mobile exchange is the worst in the world, I can say. So stay away from this kind of thing of Flipkart, and Flipkart don't listen to the customers in basis of this kind of GIFs pickup or the technical visit of your return of the mobile. So that's pretty bad, I can say. So that's all in this video. Do let me know in the comment section what is about your experience in Flipkart regarding the mobile. Thanks a lot for watching this video. See you soon in my next video very soon. Till then, goodbye, take care, and stay subscribed.